So, as I plan for my exodus and escape out of the States, one of the hardest things for most expats and people that move abroad is letting go of the material things that you have in your home base. For me, it's the United States. So, one thing that I am going to be disappointed about is having to take down all the things that I have put up myself. I'm a do it yourselfer. I did my own walk in closet bedroom setup, installed my bars, my mirrors, my shoe racks, my pictures, my mirrors. I was very, very excited about this. I didn't even get to finish this project. I was actually still working on it. That is a vanity in the box and the mirror that I never got a chance to put together. One thing for me, though, as someone that is getting ready to leave the States, I don't have quite necessarily an emotional attachment to all of these things because as an Amazon reviewer, every single thing you see in this video I got free. Clothes, decor, pictures, mirrors, lighting, everything I got free. I paid for absolutely nothing. So in letting these things go, I'm not taking a loss. Now, I will say a lot of stuff that I really, really like, I am going to put in storage. I am not going to sell it. I am not going to give it away. It will be put in storage, and storage will be paid up for a year because who knows, I might decide to come back to the States. I might find my forever home and start shipping things overseas that I really, really want. I don't need to hear anything about how much they're going to charge me and oh, it's going to be really expensive. I did not pay for anything. None of this stuff I pay for. So even if I have to pay to have it shipped to where I choose to settle, that's okay because I'm not taking a loss. I love my fashion, so one thing I am going to have a hard time doing is minimizing my clothes for my first trip as far as my initial move. I don't want to travel heavy because I do have my two fluffy girls, Bonnie and Freya, that I will be traveling with. So I only want to have at maximum maybe 3 bags, two under the plane and one carry on. But I would prefer to have maybe one under the plane and one carry on. My carry on being all my electronics. I'm upset about some of my home decor things that I really, really love. Like literally everything I got from Amazon. And I take my time to figure out how I want things set up. So I never even got to finish fully setting up this unit. But everything happens for a reason. And a lot of this stuff I will definitely have it shipped once I figure out where it is I want to call my forever home. I'm pretty sure I can find some of these things to be replaced, if not better, while I'm overseas. But yeah, attachment to material things is a hard thing for Americans. Thankfully, I do not have the financial attachment and I'm not taking a loss, but I have quite a few things that I have to go through and figure out what I want to sell, what I want to just throw away, and what I want to keep. So